So hello everyone, in this video we'll be understanding about do while loop. So let's do that. Now you can see this is the while loop result. Let me just change it to do while loop, which is very easy. You just have to grab the condition from the start and paste it at the end, and you have to use do instead of that while statement at the start. So what this does is it actually prints something and then it checks the condition. So the condition is checked at the last. So let me just uh, save it and show you the result. So it will be the same result, no difference, right? But let's say if I do with while loop again, if I initially set it to, let's say, 11, what happens now? Let's see. You can see nothing is printed out. Why is that? Because our condition I is 11 is false now. So 11 is not less than equal to 10. That's why this code block will not be executed, because we know that while loop only execute if the condition is true. But let's do this with the help of do while loop. So if I use do here and the condition at the last, so you can see in this order it will first print the statement or print the code, and then it will check if the condition is matching or not. So the condition is checked after, not at the start. So that in this way the statement or the block of code will be executed at least once. If the condition is true or false, that doesn't matter. The block will be executed at least once in do while loop. So if we see the result, now you can see the value is printed out, which is 11. So it is actually printing the value of I at least once. But in the while loop case, in the loop while or in the while loop case, it was not printing it even one time. So that's the difference basically. So this is the basic difference that you have to understand, that do while loop at least prints the value at least once, or execute the code at least once, whether the condition is true or false. And then it checks the condition. If the condition is true, then it will repeat the block, otherwise it will false it or it will stop the execution. So this is the case, and while loop doesn't do that. So this is basically the difference. And you can similarly do anything in here. You can call any block of code, you can call any function, you can use if else statement, everything you can do in here, just like the while loop. So this is no difference, but the difference is that it will at least increment the state, or it will at least execute this block of code one time, whether the condition is true or false. So this is do while loop. I hope you got something. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.